DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly pidgin English news. I beg, if this one are the first time when you don't take the serious, make you subscribe and follow us for our social media platforms. For website, na www.djntv.news. Make you subscribe there because now there will be summer 24/7 news, no shaking. Then for our YouTube, now be DJM TV. Make you subscribe there too. Then make you not forget to knock your hand for the notification bell. Sake of say, as you knock your hand, anytime we knock this come out, you go always receive us straight and direct for your phone. Again, make you like our page for Facebook, now DJM TV. Then make you not forget to follow us for Twitter, now still DJM TV.
We are testimony before this tribunal. In my testimony before this tribunal, why are the same athletes and they come direct, come and coffee. Now I ask them waiting at home, waiting with my car.
You were in front of your shop. Where?
Aparaba Arabo.
I went to Baranda and between 12 o'clock and they say bring me out. People they touch on me. People say they say my children 19th grade. And they say they never give me food to eat. Even said the way they tear up me, put my ear nowhere later. It just be like common criminal. Even say one of another thing, in fact, now where they touch on person, then they go carry me put. Everybody, even 80 man, now all of them gone to some meal. I said,
I was listening to my brother, when they tell me saying I'm father from IG.
you didn't get it.
Now I ask them, listening to my crowd, they still be saying, now order, now that's my IG. Now I send them to come arrest me.
You asked not just this crime, and they said the others from the IG.
So now so they carry me to go the station.
The station is where? The station.
Ikeja. They call it on the road because that time I don't drive with them, ready to come. They don't see I don't be trouble. So they put handcuff only. Now one they short one way that guy they go to the side, one park one corner. All of them don't come out from this discourse. I mean understand what they discuss. Then now me I bring that my phone to call my mom to let my mom know because only my mom feel this. Now I call them to make I explain to them what they happen. So I know that I get my shot listen to them. And then one of them, that's the inspector. Consider the died number, and just come rush, listen for her. So I get from that time, I told me, who give me authority to call anybody. My name drop the phone for ground, Macha. From there, bring that knife, took me for hand.
That's coming from jail. Who come to my shop, come.
Yeah.
Maybe say this is too much for me, they pay too much.
Oh, that happens.
That's why they carry me, put me inside one corner. That's why they just they rush, they speak language. And they speak the language. Then they bring out this thing. See this me, they even want mortar. Use his sickness for me. And so they come bring out this thing, my small phone, with the collector. Collect 58,000 white say from my shop. That very time when you come. Push me inside cell. As they carry me where they get me from,
DJ NTV.
who handcuff me from back. Then handcuff, who leg chain for my leg. Those people wey bring me, whether make dem fire me, no, they say no be for now, no be now. No, so they leave me for some reach evening time. Then I mean, I'm not you. This time, anything when you bring me for public, I know they like am. The only thing you say this one pass. If na minor sin, no be this one. I think just this one, they pass me. This kind of thing, I no go pray make it happen to my enemy.
Yes.
Yeah, continue.
I saw them leave me there to all the whole song that day. Sound like a within that kind evening time, I no take tablet. The sun don't come down. I dey carry me go there. That's exactly where they put my clothes. You get me clothes, get me trouser. Ask them my palm. They say the palm don't lost.
Up to the time you are put in the
I
cell,
still dey ask them what
if you
my
tell you what you have done.
Even not till date, I never know my drive.
Sorry, then all the time they were beating you, were they saying anything? The police? What did they
The
talk?
only they do is a person intelligence report is on me.
Intelligence reports.
About what?
They don't tell me. Intelligence report is they don't take
Since
it.
2009.
Even they call the guy on phone. Now if not that I flash my phone. I did some of this thing.
You were thrown from what position to what position? So they threw you over. How?
It's when they take you up.
I had an issue from the way back in the so what's in that doing? I went from there process. I had been marking something for that. And then one of them issue from now from that place.
From which place precisely? How the place they hide?
Please go to do that.
For the ongoing time when I don't think they deal with us. And because he gets other country, correct country people, when they say that they support us, that they support us with so many things. Now, the first one I want to first knock in name, so let me Arize Agulonu. Inside there, we still get favor Olamide. And that dollars bill, GKH Foundation, Cheesy, Mwadike, If That TV, and Anointed Lady TV. Una too correct. So I give una big buzzer for all the support una don't they give us all this time. For others now, when I not physically call the name, it not mean say una they support us, una still do well. So make una continue, they support us, so that we go continue the summer una hot news as them they share it. Now listen for hot news matter, then they go see DJM TV. So I beg, make una continue. they subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV, and make you not forget to knock out for the notification bell once you don't subscribe. Again, make you follow us on Twitter, na DJM TV, and also for Facebook, make you like our page, na DJM TV. And the big of them all, 9B, our website will be www.djmtv.news. There, now 24/7 within the NAC news. So, like I talked before, and here we will draw the curtain. Until next time, when we go come again, come nakuna the odd story as don't share it. My name now Stanley Okocha.
DJA